got its head. All right, now, does it look like it tapers off at the end or it stays thick?
It's tinny. It's
not-
skinnier at the end.
Skinnier at the
It's
end?
a girl.
So that's it, means it's a
girl.
A girl, very good.
See, I assumed that it was
Now, you can see here how it's a ring neck snake. Go ahead, you can focus in, that's right. With the ring around its neck, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now go ahead, you can back that off a little bit. Now they have yellow bellies. And in fact, when they get scared to frighten things off, they'll actually roll over, show their bellies, and coil up their tail. This is a, what did we determine this was, a female?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a female, so you get to name this snake. All right, you can come up with, you don't have to name it right now. Potato. All right. This is about, can you grab, there's a ruler, a metal ruler over there. Can we need to measure. No, why are they sticking their tongue out? How many inches is this guy?
Oh.
Okay, so this is a medium-sized female.
Mr. Roupe.
Yes.
Don't they use their tongue to smell?
Yes, they move.
Yeah, it's a living
You're just thinking
thing.
it's
Why
just
is
gonna
there
stay
a
there
bucket
and
there?
won't face
Oh, he's strong. She's strong, I mean.
Just in case.
Thank you. She. This is a good job, Lila. You got to identify it, and it's about 12 to 13 inches long. See now, when you move, you got too close. Did you see it flare back like that?
Yeah.
Okay, that means it felt threatened.
It's 30 centimeters long.
30 centimeters long, all right. So this is a 30 centimeter long female northern ringneck snake.